In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube TV password so you can keep your account secure and prevent unauthorized access. First, it's important to know that YouTube TV uses your Google account for sign-in. That means changing your YouTube TV password is the same as changing your Google account password. Here's how to do it. Open a web browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in with the Google account linked to YouTube TV. Click on Security in the left-hand menu. Under Signing in to Google, select Password. You may be asked to verify your identity. Enter your current password, then type in your new password twice. Make sure it's strong and unique. Click Change Password to save your new password. Once your password is updated, it will automatically apply to YouTube TV and all other Google services you use with that account. A few tips. Make sure to update the password on all devices where you're signed in to YouTube TV. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for added security. So, to sum it up, go to myaccount.google.com, navigate to Security Arrow Password, enter your new password, and your YouTube TV account is updated and secure. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tutorials.